Here in the third installment of our videos, let's see if we can find out how to move or copy and paste files and folders. A copy is where you leave the original and put a copy somewhere else. To cut or move, the word varies, means to remove the original from a location and put a copy elsewhere. You do one of those two procedures first, and if you look on the right-hand side of your screen, you'll see that when you right-click a file, you can choose to either cut or copy it. That will be a right-click using the Shortcut menu or the Context menu. And then when you click Paste, you'll be putting the file somewhere here. And that option will only show up in the Shortcut menu if you have already clicked on either cut or copy. And you do the same procedure for both files and folders. Let's go see. Here I have that COMG 153 folder that I made previously, and in there I have a Word folder. If I wanted to look in the Word folder, I'll double click on it there, and you notice that I have now put a file in there. We'll pretend that's my Word 1 chapter homework, but I put it in the wrong place because I didn't put in the Word 1 folder. So what I'm going to do is just right-click on it and go down to the Shortcut menu, and now I'll left-click. You only ever right-click once at a time, and then after that you left-click. And I'm going to actually copy this, and then I'll have to go where I want to put it, which is in the Word 1 folder, so I'll double-click on it. If you double-click on the picture, it's better. And then here in the white space or the empty space, I can just right-click and paste. Don't paste a shortcut. Be careful. So now I have a copy of this folder in the Word folder, Word 1 folder, and if I click back on the Word folder up there, I have a copy up here too. I don't really need that one anymore, but I was just being better safe than sorry, huh? That's the way that works. I can actually even copy a folder. If I were to right-click on the COMG 153 folder, I could cut it if I wanted to. This is an example of cut it. And if you notice, if you look very, very carefully, you will see that the yellow folder isn't yellow anymore. It's kind of grayed out or ghosted out. And then I could go, let's say, to my desktop, let's say, if I wanted to put it there. And in the white space or the empty space, I could right-click, paste again. And now, if you look on the left-hand side, there is no more COMG 153 folder. But if you look here on my desktop, there is. So first you right-click and then either click copy or move. And then you go where you want it to go. And then you right-click and then left-click on paste.